Okay, here I am with another comfort food recipe. I'm already making the shepherd's pie, and this is going to be our dessert, and very simple. You don't even need a mixing bowl or anything, and it's 3 WW points per serving. And I know some of you have made some of these recipes before where you use just a diet soda and the cake mix. I'm going to be using Diet A and W because that's all I carry anymore because it's my favorite, but any kind of diet soda will work. I'm going to be using a half a bottle of this, 1 can of the no sugar added peaches and sugar-free yellow cake mix, and then a couple tablespoons of the brown sugar replacement. This one is the Sukron, or you can also use Anthony's or Swerve, whatever you can find. I usually get these on Amazon. If you're interested, you can check it out on my website. I have links to all of them just to help you, so if you're trying to find it. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am going to make this in my Instant Pot air fryer because it takes less time to cook, and I don't want to make a big thing of this because we will eat it. And so here I go. I'm going to mix this all together, and you can watch. Okay, I sprayed the bottom of the 8x8 cake pan here. I added 1 can of no sugar added sliced peaches. These scanned as 0 points for the whole can. You want to go ahead and do it with the juice, the water that's with it. Just gives it a little extra liquid. Then I'm going to lightly, you don't want to, just kind of lightly fluff over the cake mix. And then I usually add a little cinnamon. Let me get that. Okay, I have a little bit of cinnamon and sugar replacement in here that I keep. I like to put this on my coffee or on top of desserts. So I'm sprinkling a little bit of it on top of the cake mix. As you can see in the little video, I measured out the cake mix to make sure I'm only using half. The package is 3 cups. I didn't know that, but now I do, 3 cups. So I took 1.5 cups out of here. So you only have to take 1.5 cups out. You don't have to do all that measuring stuff. Okay, now I'm going to make sure that's all down there. Pour a half of my diet soda on top. And then it's gonna, see, this is gonna make it bubble up. And you don't wanna poke it down or anything like that. You wanna just let it kind of go down. The other half I'm gonna drink. Okay, now it's going to go in the oven for around 15 minutes covered with foil at 350, and then I will take it out and take the foil off and then cook it probably about 15 more minutes in the air fryer oven. I will put the directions on how long to cook it in the conventional oven, but I'm not quite sure exactly how long in the air fryer, but I know I'm going to start with 10 or 15 minutes covered, take it off, and then I think about 15 minutes, but I will post it at the end of this video, and I will also post it down the recipe. Here we go. Okay, I'm done with my comfort food dessert. I made peach cobbler. It's still hot. I just got it out of the oven. I was going to try to lift it up for you to see a little bit. It turned out really good, and this is a half of a recipe, but I'm only posting it this size because you can get 6 servings out of this, 3 points each, and it's really, really good. And so this is what we're having for dessert. We're going along with our other comfort food that I made, the shepherd's pie. So if you like my recipes, please share with others or subscribe to my channel. It's been a long day, especially when I do 2 videos in one day, but it's been a wonderful day to be stuck in the house, to make things that are healthy. Makes me feel better knowing I can be a blessing to others too that are out there, and to help them keep off their weight or to maintain like I am after losing 80 pounds on WW. If you'd like the printable recipe, go to my website at amusinghealthyrecipe.com, and you will find all my recipes there in a PDF form. And hope you enjoy this, and you have a wonderful day. And I want to thank my husband for the background music. for both my videos. He's such a blessing to me. I hope it blesses you too. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and a wonderful Easter. God bless you. Bye-bye.